All right, you know what we're going to be doing today. It is the bar. So let's do it. I know you love it, and you know how much I love it. On va faire une petite session à la barre. On est parti? Alors, on va ouvrir les jambes. We're going to open the legs, and I want your feet on the side, so externally rotating. We're reaching down and up, down and up, down, up, down, up. On garde les genoux bien sur le côté. And reach, and down and up. On descend, on remonte. Then stay down, tiny pulses. As I'm doing that, my knees are opening to the side. Maintenant, je garde les genoux au niveau de l'extérieur. Je veux surtout pas qu'ils reviennent à l'intérieur. Good. Now, if you have a chair at home, you can hold on the chair. I'm going to hold on the bar because I've got a bar. Maintenant, si vous avez une chaise à la maison, vous pouvez mettre la main sur la chaise. Moi, j'ai la barre, je vais me servir de la barre et je vais remonter et redescendre. Remonter et redescendre. I lift and then I come down. Lift and down. Lift, down. Open the knees. On ouvre les genoux. Down, lift, down. Lift, down. Et on va le sentir celui-là. Lift, down. Open the knees. Good. And come back here. And we reach again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maintenant, on va étirer et on remonte. Lift. And we're going to stretch back. Stretch back. Stretch. That's good. Keep doing it. Are we smiling? Reach. And reach. Reach again. Pull your tummy. And come back to the bar. To the bar, I want you to your chair. You're going to have your forearms on it. And we're going to bring the leg up. We're going to bring the knee in and away. On plie le genou à l'autre genou et on étire. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Come on, we can do it. Donc, si on a une chaise, on s'appuie au niveau de la chaise ou d'un meuble, de ce que vous avez vraiment. Down, up, down, up. Keep doing it. On inspire, on expire. Ça va travailler. On inspire, on expire. Et on revient. Good. OK. On bouge au niveau du bassin et on va de l'autre côté. Donc, on fait exactement la même chose. On est parti, on reste là. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 3, 4, 5. On ouvre bien les genoux sur le côté. Tout petit mouvement maintenant. Bien ouvrir les genoux sur le côté. We're really opening the knees to the side. Good. Now, I've got my chair. I've got my bar, so I'm going to hold. Maintenant, on va mettre une main sur la chaise. On va pousser et on soulève. On descend, on soulève. On descend, on soulève. On inspire, on expire. On prend appui sur la chaise, le meuble, ce que vous avez. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. Keep doing it. And come back here. Tiny pulses. Tiny pulses. Des tout petits mouvements et on ouvre. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 et on revient. Maintenant, on prend appui sur la barre. Je suis vraiment désolée de me mettre de l'autre côté. I'm really sorry that you're facing my bum, but there is no way of doing it on the other side. There is no bar on the other side. So, hands here. On va mettre the forearm here. We're going to extend, bend, and away. Bend, away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and come back. Woo! We did it. Okay. It's not finished yet. We've done what, 5 minutes? Okay. Are we ready for more? Now, still using the bar, using your chair at home. You're going to be facing it, and you want to go on your toes, coming up here. Coming up, and I'm going to reach down and lift. Down and lift. Pull your tummy. Down, lift. I'm on my toes. Down and lift. Down, lift. Can we stay down and tiny pulses? Maintenant, on va faire des tout petits battements. Donc, on reste en bas. Par contre, je suis sur les doigts de pied. J'ai monté les talons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On reste là. Je vais étirer une jambe. La même jambe va revenir et repartir. So that leg is extended. And then I bring it back and move away. 2. Yes, I'm still on my toes in case you're asking. Now, if it's too much, you can just have your heel down on the floor. Si c'est trop, vous pouvez avoir le talon au sol, c'est rien. Et on revient. Et pareil, on descend, on remonte complètement. On descend, on remonte. On descend, on remonte. On remonte. On remonte. Là, maintenant, on remonte, mais complètement. And the next one, we hold it down. Stay. Tiny pulses. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay here. Extend that leg. Remember that same leg is going to come. La même jambe va revenir. On revient. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. Ah! Ok, très bien. Et on va bouger le bassin. You're just moving your hips side to side. Well done. Okay. Now, what I want you to do, it's little steps sideways. So watch what I'm doing first. So you still can hold your chair. We're going to reach to the side and back. Courtoisie. So from here, it's side, down, lift. And then I go to the other side, down, lift. So if you don't have a chair, you can just do that. Otherwise, you're holding on to your chair, down. Well, it's a very wide chair, I guess. Si vous avez une chaise, vous faites avec la chaise. Si vous n'en avez pas, vous faites sans. Oh, le meuble, ce que vous voulez vraiment. Et on peut avoir les mains au niveau des hanches. We can have our hands on the hips. And then we're going to hold. Maintenant, on reste. On reste là. On ouvre le pectoral muscle. And tiny pulses. On ouvre les genoux sur les côtés. We're really opening the knees to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On va ouvrir les bras et on monte. 1 et 2 et 3 et 4 et 5 et 6 et 7, 8, 9, 10 et je redescends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. OK. De l'autre côté. Boum! On est parti, les mains sur les hanches. We're going to have our hands on our hips, reach down and lift. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We hold it. Hold it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And lift. and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and your last one, 10, and come back. On bouge le bassin. Okay, now you're going to have your arms back. You want to open. Reach to one side, come back. Reach to the other side and back. Maintenant, on fait des étirements. On étire là et de l'autre côté. Et on étire. Et on étire encore. On étire. On étire. Et on revient. Voilà. OK, c'est pas fini. Naturellement que non. Alors, on va ouvrir les jambes. On est encore en second position here. Hips side to side to release any tension on the pelvis. Reach down and lift up. Je plie les genoux, mais par contre, j'ouvre les genoux sur le côté. Et on remonte. And I always see the knees going here. No, no, no. And press. Down on your heels. Lift. Down. Up. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. You stay. Tiny one. We're going to lift the arms up. Maintenant, je monte les bras. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Et on revient. Maintenant, de cette façon, je vais étirer les bras. I'm going to extend my arms. Then I'm going to rotate to the side and come back. Same side. On va du même côté. Donc, je suis en position, je suis devant. Ce que je vais faire, c'est la jambe de derrière. Elle va tourner. Je vais descendre. Je remonte et je reviens en avant. So we're going to bend the knees. Come up. Then bend. The back leg is twisting to come in front. And come back. Down. Lift. And reach. And down. Coordination, huh? And down. And reach, and down, and reach, and down. Open your knees. On ouvre les genoux sur le côté. Maintenant, on reste là, on va de l'autre côté. On fait exactement la même chose, mais de l'autre côté. On descend, on remonte. Twist, descend, on remonte, descend. On remonte, tourne. Descend, remonte, tourne. Go down, up, rotate. And down, up, rotate. Are we still smiling? It's coordination, I know. Down, up, rotate. Come on, we can do it. Remember, it's your beginner bar class. Oh yeah, you have no idea what's coming next. On reste en niveau beginner here. And reach here. Tiny pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, lift your heel down. On lève le talon. Descend. On lève. Descend. On lève. Descend. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. That's good. You're doing a good job. Don't give up. It's not the time to give up. And up, and then stay and tiny pulses. Tiny pulses here, open. And 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You go to the other side. And 1, 2, 3. De l'autre côté, on fait exactement la même chose. On remonte le talon quand on descend. Et là, on doit le sentir dans les fessiers. Et on revient. Ah, not bad, not bad. For our first bar, you're not bad at all, guys. Okay, it's not finished. So you're going to come here. Your chair, your bar, whatever you have at home. You're going to be facing it. On va remonter On va monter les talons et on va descendre. On remonte légèrement. On descend. On remonte légèrement. On descend. On remonte. On descend. On remonte. On descend. On remonte. Maintenant, on descend, on reste. Tout petit battement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On reste là et on fait exactement la même chose qu'on a fait tout à l'heure, mais maintenant, alternatively. So we're changing now. We're going to alternate our leg. 2, I'm on my toes. Je suis au niveau des doigts de pied. Je remonte les talons. Don't give up. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and come back here, reach, and come back. Reach up, both of your arms, and reaching to the side, to the other side. Good. And now, if you've got a chair, you're going to place your foot on it. On va mettre la jambe sur la chaise et on va étirer, ou sur le meuble, ce que vous avez. Ma barre est très haute. And reach up. Actually, I've got no idea why the bar is so high. So, reach. It's a good way to stretch, I guess. Go slightly lower. And come back. Moving your hips side to side. Et on va de l'autre côté. On fait exactement la même chose. Boom. Et on étire. This is an obligatory stretch. You need to stretch your hamstring every day. I hear it all the time. I'm not flexible, I'm not flexible. I'm not flexible either. But unless I do it, I'm never going to be flexible. That's the end of the story, guys. Je l'entends constamment, mais je ne suis pas assez flexible, on dit en français. Comment on dit? Souple. Mais vous ne le serez jamais si vous n'essayez pas. C'est simple. It doesn't make sense to me. And come back. I wasn't flexible at all. Especially I was a runner, so no chance. Okay. Are we feeling it now? Now from here, reaching up. With your chair, you're going to push away. Push away. You want a nice flat back. Then tuck under. And push again. And tuck under. And push. And tuck under. And push. And tuck. And push. And tuck. And stay here. Nice stretch. Can we go lower here? Can we try to reach down on our feet? If we don't, it's not a problem at all. We can just be here. On va essayer de toucher les pieds. Si on ne peut pas, ce n'est pas un problème. On sait ce qu'on peut faire aujourd'hui. Et on va remonter tout doucement. Tout doucement. On étire la colonne vertébrale. Les deux mains ensemble. Both hands together. And we're going to reach to the side. And come back. And to the other side. And come back. And reach again. And back. Now, we're going to go back to your chair on first position, so heels together. Reach down and up. We're working more on your inner thigh. Inner thigh. On travaille sur l'intérieur des cuisses maintenant. On a les talons ensemble. On va descendre et remonter. On descend et on remonte. On descend et on remonte. Très bien. On inspire, on expire. On inspire, on expire. On descend et on va faire des tout petits battements. Par contre, je veux que le dos soit bien droit. I want your back to be really nice and flat. So you can get a stick or whatever in your back, but I don't want that. OK? C'est pas ce que je veux. On reste là et on ouvre les genoux sur le côté. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can we go lower? On va plus bas. Allez, les talons ensemble. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses, mais les fessiers également. We're really working on your glutes as well. I'm sure you feel it. And come back up. Down and up. Down and up. On ouvre et on remonte. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses. 2, 3, down, up, down, up. Et on descend. Tout petit mouvement. On change de main. Et down, up, down. On descend, on remonte. Je travaille vraiment l'intérieur des cuisses. Et on revient. On relâche les épaules. Maintenant, on va avoir un pied derrière. Donc, je suis comme ça. On va descendre comme on a fait tout à l'heure, courtoisie. Down and lift, OK? So, from here, down, lift, down, lift. On travaille l'intérieur des cuisses également. Cette fois-ci, c'est plus proche. It's closer this time. And then you stay down, tiny pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That back leg's come in front. So I'm coming in front here. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front legs going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn around to your chair. Are we ready? Back, side leg, back. Maintenant, on met la jambe derrière. On descend. 1, 2, 3. On ouvre les genoux sur le côté. On inspire, on expire et ensuite, la jambe de derrière vient devant. On fait exactement la même chose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Derrière. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Devant. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Et on revient. Très bien. Et maintenant, je vais bouger le bassin de chaque côté. Et on va essayer de descendre. On va toucher le sol. Et pareil, je bouge mon bassin de chaque côté. Et on remonte. We're going to reach up and tiny side stretch. On va sur le côté. On remonte de l'autre côté. But my favorite is really the one I was teaching you earlier. Both of your hands on the bar, on the chair at home. This one is great. And tuck. And that, you can do it at any time of the day, whenever you want, really. OK? Allez, on va finir avec un exercice que j'adore, qui va travailler les fessiers. On est prêt? We're going to stay here. That's my favorite one. One of my favorite, let's say. You're going to lift the leg here. Careful. You want your hips to stay down. And very often what I see is people opening the hip. And I don't want that. On va garder la hanche en bas. On ne l'ouvre pas. We're going to reach up here. You can slightly bend the supporting leg. La jambe au sol peut être légèrement pliée. And we're going to touch the floor and lift. Down and lift. Don't go too fast. It's not a competition here. It's working on your glutes. And I'm sure you can feel that. On travaille au niveau des fessiers. On n'a pas besoin d'aller vite. And we want to see result, not injury. Because it is a back extensors. You don't want to go crazy on this one. Then hold it. My supporting leg is going to bend and extend. Je vais plier la jambe qui est au sol et je l'étire. Je la plie, je l'étire. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I can stretch. And then swap side. Are we ready? On va faire l'autre côté. Je vais plier le genou de la jambe qui est au sol. Je monte l'autre. Alors par contre, on garde le bassin straight. I'm going to touch the floor and lift. Touch, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We hold it. On reste là. Je plie le genou, j'étire. Je plie le genou, j'étire. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and bring it down and stretch. Oh, we're going to go, I call it My Little Pony. Celui-ci, c'est My Little Pony. Stretching. Working on your breathing. Can we go down? Trying to stretch as well. And coming back up. Relaxing your shoulders. Moving side to side here. And reach to the side here. Going over. Come back. Reach to the other side. Come back. Relaxing your shoulders, head. We're going to stretch our neck. On va étirer le cou. On regarde par terre, on regarde au sol. Et on fait la même chose de l'autre côté. Et on regarde au sol. And relaxing everything. And well done, guys. That was your first one at the bar. And I want to tell you that you're only going to get better. Donc, c'est très bien, les filles. Vous avez bien fait. C'est votre première session à la barre avec le challenge. Vous allez certainement le sentir. But you're only getting better. Plus on va pratiquer, mieux vous serez. Et surtout, la barre, to me, it's where you're going to see the most results. So, you're welcome, guys. À bientôt.